Norraco login: how simple to reset your password now, 2024. I know it's a harrowing experience when you wish to draw your funds through Norraco, but cannot access the Norraco login for some reason. Whether you're a new user of Norraco or already have an account on Norraco, this article discusses the user's challenges while Norraco account registration, login, password, and other troubleshooting options can be important to your seamless experience. In this video, we'll discuss step-by-step Norraco login and related issues and their solutions to ensure you have an uninterrupted experience with Norraco. We will discuss every potential issue to ensure your connectivity with Norraco without stress. What is Norraco login? Do you know Norraco is a third-party payment service provider to NSFAS beneficiary students with the collaboration of NSFAS directly to the account of these NSFAS recipients? Norraco has introduced a free app called Norraco Transact to simplify this payment procedure. It is specifically designed for students using the NSFAS student loan system. While applying this for NSFAS funds, you should be required to complete a Know Your Customer (KYC) process. In this process, your personal information and identity, such as South African citizenship and proof of life, are verified. If your status of the account is still under review, your KYC documents still need to be verified. Once your account gets active, your status will be approved or KYC-D. Step-by-step guide to Norraco login and registration. Register if you have never used the Norraco payment system before logging in. Here's a complete registration process for creating your account. Norraco login and register process. Creating a new account: first of all, you'll write Norraco Transact, Google search and enter. You'll be on the official website. Here, you can see a login box. You'll find the option Register. Click on the option Register. It will redirect you to a page where you will ask for your ID number and the option to receive OTP on your email or SMS. After receiving the OTP, you'll put this OTP in the given box and enter it. You must complete your information, including your name, email address, and contact number. Always put your information correct to save yourself from inconvenience. You should always create a unique username and password with special characters for your Norraco Transact account. After the complete registration process, you'll receive a confirmation email from Norraco Transact South Africa. Check this mail in your inbox. If you've received it, you've completed this registration process accurately. Norraco login process for existing users. If you're an existing user, click on this link, Norraco Transact, which will take you to the login page. Here, you'll click on the option Let's Transact. It'll redirect you to the Norraco login box. Now, simply write your username, enter your password, and click on the option Login. It will redirect you to the dashboard if you've entered the correct information.